Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to remove protection from Excel sheets without a password. Here, I have an Excel file with different tabs. The Data tab is protected, so if I try to make any changes, I can't. I can't delete or move the chart. The protection to prevent anyone from messing with the data. If I go to Review and click Unprotect Sheet, none of the passwords work. Here's what you can do to unlock this sheet. First, close your file and create a copy of it. This is important because it's easy to accidentally corrupt your file. With the copy, change the file extension from .xlss to .zip. When prompted, confirm that you want to make this change. Now, open the zip file using a program like WinRAR or 7-Zip. Once the file is open, navigate to the Excel folder, then to the Worksheets folder. You'll see a separate XML file for each worksheet. Locate the XML file for the protected sheet. To confirm you have the right one, search for the word Protect. If the file contains the sheet protection code, you've found the correct sheet. If not, try another file until you locate the right one. You can't edit the file directly in the zip program. Instead, drag the XML file to your desktop. Right-click it and open it with a text editor like Notepad. The text will look messy, but don't worry. Search for the word Protect again and you'll see the Sheet Protection tag. Carefully select everything from the opening angled bracket to the closing one and delete it. Save the changes and close the editor. Now, go back to the zip folder. Delete the old XML file for the protected sheet and replace it with the edited version from your desktop. Confirm any prompts, then close the zip program. Rename the file extension from zip back to XLSX and confirm the change. Open the file in Excel and test it. You should now be able to make changes to the previously protected sheet. The protection is removed and you can edit your data, charts and other elements freely. Once done, don't forget to reapply protection with a password you'll remember. Go to Protect Sheet, enter your new password and confirm it. That's it. Thank you for watching.